Hello everyone, it's me, your teacher Dimitris, and we are back with a very important video today on a few very common Greek phrases that you need for daily conversation. Today we will be looking at 5 different phrases, and without any delay, let's take a look at the first one. Γεια σου, τι κάνεις? Which translates to, hello, how are you? Γεια σου, τι κάνεις? But be careful, this is the informal way to say it. For the formal one, you should say Γεια σας, τι κάνετε? Γεια σας, τι κάνετε? And to respond to this question of how are you, you can say καλά, which means good. Or if you're not feeling very good, you can say έτσι κι έτσι, which means so-so. For our next phrase, we have πόσο κοστίζει. Πόσο κοστίζει translates to how much does it cost? And if you want to respond to this, you can always say, for example, κοστίζει 10 ευρώ. It costs 10 euros. This can come in very handy, especially if you're shopping in more local shops where the price might not be displayed. For our third one, we have θα ήθελα, which can be paired up with πόσο κοστίζει that we saw before. First, let's see what it means. Θα ήθελα translates to I would like. Θα ήθελα. Let's take a look at an example. Θα ήθελα ένα νερό. I would like a water. Or θα ήθελα ένα καφέ. I would like a coffee. And if you want to combine it with the previous phrase that we learned, you can say something more elaborate like this. Γεια σας, θα ήθελα ένα καφέ. Πόσο κοστίζει? This whole phrase would translate to, hello, I would like a coffee. How much does it cost? This might be a little tricky to say in the beginning, but it is one example of how you can combine the phrases together and use it to say even more things. Moving on to our next phrase, we have χαίρο πολύ. Χαίρο πολύ translates to very glad to meet you. It is an especially polite phrase that we use, well, obviously when we meet someone new. So χαίρο πολύ. And now for our final phrase, isn't exactly a phrase, but these are 3 words, very, very important and foundational that you can use in so many different situations. These words are ευχαριστώ, παρακαλώ, and συγγνώμη. Let's start with the first one, ευχαριστώ. Ευχαριστώ means thank you. Just like other Greek words, ευχαριστώ has a very polite way of saying too. That is, σας ευχαριστώ. Παρακαλώ, on the other hand, means you are welcome, but also please at the same time. It has a double meaning. If we use the meaning of please, we can also combine it with the phrases before, and you can say something like this. Θα ήθελα ένα καφέ, παρακαλώ, which translates to I would like a coffee, please. And now for συγγνώμη, the last one. Συγγνώμη simply means I'm sorry. You can also use συγγνώμη as excuse me. It also has a bit of a double meaning. Alright, that is all for this video today. I really hope these phrases help you get your point across in Greek. You can combine them and really use them in numerous daily conversation topics. Like and subscribe for even more Greek videos. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you on the next video. Γεια σας!